Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will go over how to fix Roblox not teleporting. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and reliable, as a weak signal often causes problems. Then, verify that the Roblox servers are operational by checking their official status page. Server outages can prevent successful teleportation. A quick router restart might also refresh your connection, often resolving minor glitches. These initial steps are crucial for identifying common connectivity issues. Clearing the Roblox cache on your device can remove corrupted data, improving game performance and teleportation reliability. To do this, locate the Roblox folder and delete its temporary files. If that does not work, a complete uninstall and reinstall of the Roblox player often resolves persistent client-side problems. Make sure your device's operating system and graphics drivers are also up to date. Outdated software can lead to unexpected issues. Your computer's firewall might be blocking Roblox, preventing successful teleportation. Ensure Roblox is an allowed application in your firewall settings. If you use a VPN, try temporarily disabling it, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with network connectivity to game servers. Furthermore, if possible, test Roblox on a different internet network, such as a mobile hotspot, to determine if your primary network configuration is the source of the teleporting problem. Within certain Roblox games, there might be specific in-game settings related to teleportation, so always check those options first. If the problem persists across multiple games or seems specific to one game, report the issue directly to that game's developer. Sometimes, the problem lies with the game's scripting or server architecture, and only the developer can implement a fix. Your detailed feedback is valuable for them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.